Good morning, dear students. Hope you all are fit and fine. And I believe you all have gone through the previous parts of chapter 6. Be my multiple, I will be your factor. This is fifth part. In this part, we will learn LCM. LCM means least common multiple. There are three methods to find out the LCM. First is method of common multiples. Second, method of prime factorization. Third, common division method. So, let's start with our first method, method of common multiples. Question number 7. Find the LCM of the following numbers by the method of common multiples. In previous video, we have already learned how to find out the common multiples of two or more numbers. Now, we have to find out least common multiple, means LCM. Least means the smallest number. So, first step is to find out the multiples of 3. Then find out the multiples of 12. You know how to find out the multiples? Read the table of 3 and read the table of 12. Now find out the common multiples among them. So first common multiple is 12 and the second common multiple is 24. There are many other common multiples also of 3 and 12, but as you know, we have to find out the least common multiple. Therefore, the least common multiple is 12. Let's move to our B part. B part is 9 and 6. We have to find out the LCM of 9 and 6 by common multiple method. So, first write down the multiples of 9, then multiple of 6, then find out the common multiples among them. So, our first common multiple is 18 and the second common multiple is 36 and the third common multiple is 54. There are many more common multiples of 9 and 6, but as you know, we have to find out the least. So 18 is our least common multiple. Now the second method is method of prime factorization. Prime factorization we have already learned in part 3. Remember, in this method we always begin with the smallest prime number. This divides the given number completely. Question number 8. Find the LCM of the following numbers by the method of prime factorization. A part 6 and 8. Now in this method we have to find out the LCM by the method of prime factorization. So our first step is to find out the factors of 6 and 8 separately. Factors of 6 are 2 into 3 and the factors of 8 are 2 into 2 into 2. Now we have to find out the LCM. Remember, LCM is the product of common factors and the uncommon factors. So first encircle the common factor. So 2 is our common factor. Write it separately. Now underline the uncommon factors. The uncommon factors are 2 into 2 into 3. Now the product of common factors and uncommon factor is 24. Therefore, the LCM of 6 and 8 is 24. The next part is find out the LCM of 18, 20 and 30 by the method of prime factorization. Now in this question we have 3 numbers. So first find out the factors of 18, 20 and 30 separately. So the factors of 18 are 2 into 3 into 3. Factors of 20 are 2 into 2 into 5. Factors of 30 are 2 into 3 into 5. As we know, LCM is the product of common factors and the uncommon factors. So the first common factor is 2. Write 2 separately. The second common factor is 3. Write 3 separately. Then the next common factor is 5. Write 5 here. Now find out the uncommon factors. The uncommon factors are these 3 and 2. Write them in a group. So the LCM of 18, 20 and 30 is 180. Let's move to our next method, that is common division method. So let's start. Question number 9. Use common division method to find the LCM of following numbers. A part is 14 and 20. Our first step is write all the numbers in a row separated by comma. So here I have written 14 and 20 by putting comma. Now second step is choose the least prime number that divides the given numbers completely. So 2 is our least prime number. 2 7s are 14 and 2 10s are 20. Now choose the next prime number and continue the process. Here I have taken 2, but 7 is not divisible by 2. When any number is not divisible, are carried to the next row. So I have carried 7 to the next row. 2 5s are 10. Now our next prime number is 5. Now again 7 is not divisible by 5, so again carry forward. Now 5 1 is 5. Now next prime number is 7. We have to continue the process until the number in a row are 1. Now 7 1 is 7. 1 is not divisible by 7, so carry forward. Now we get 1. Therefore the LCM of 14 and 20 is 140. Next part is 18, 24, 60. Now in this question we have 3 numbers, means we have to find out the LCM of these 3 numbers by the method of common division. First step is write all the numbers in a row separated by commas. Here I have written 18, 24, 60. Now next step is choose the least prime number that divides at least one of the given number. Here I have taken 2. 2 is the least prime number. 2 9s are 18. 2 12s are 24. 2 30s are 60. Now next prime number is again 2. 9 is not divisible by 2, so carry forward. 2 6s are 12. 2 15s are 30. Now again take 2. 9 is not divisible by 2, so carry forward. Now 2 3s are 6. 15 is not divisible by 2, so carry forward 15. Now our next prime number is 3. 3 3s are 9. 3 1 is 3. 3 5s are 15. All 3 numbers are divisible by 3. Next number is 3. 3 1 is 3. 1 is not divisible by 3, so carry forward. 5 is also not divisible by 3, so again carry forward 5. Now our next prime number is 5. 1 is not divisible, carry forward. Here 1 is not divisible, carry forward. 5 1 is 5. We get 1 in a row. Now therefore the LCM of 18, 24 and 60 is 360. Dear students, I hope you all have understood how to find out the LCM, least common multiple, by all 3 methods. Now solve these questions by yourself in your math notebook. Thank you. God bless you. Have a nice day.